I'm not sure that that everybody understands what's the difference between a glass prosthesis and an acrylic prosthesis. And I've never worn one, so all I know is what I'm told. Tell us what the difference is. You know, is it fit by an impression? How does it feel as a patient? Tell us what the differences are between a glass and an acrylic prosthesis.
Okay, so the difference. It really depends on who made your glass eye. It's also a really big difference. Because the first one that I had really hard edges, and that really hurt on the edges of my eye hole or socket. That's, for example, a really big issue. The ones that I had were, for example, in Germany it's really cold, and the glass was somehow like a magnet for the cold. And then the cold transferred to your brain, to your whole head, and that really hurts. It's like if you drink something really cold, you have just had this brain freeze, and it doesn't feel comfortable at all. And that's the feeling that you get with wearing a glass eye. So you can't do anything. You just have to cover it up. You have to wear an eye patch, and sometimes even an eye patch doesn't really help you, so you're running around like this, and yeah, it's not great. Or if you are, I worked in a grocery store as a supervisor, and there were a lot of refrigerators, right? And in general, just in cool areas that's really cold, your eye will start to catch all the secrets and stuff like that, and they will end up all right here in front of the eye, and then get really hard, and that doesn't feel good at all. If your eyelid gets against it, I mean, it's normal if you blink here, it gets up,
Stuck?
Yeah, it stuck on the hard part there, and that's not a great feeling. So in 8 hours, in a shift of 8 hours, I probably had to run to the toilet for 20 times, because I every time need water to clear it up. The same goes to when you're sleeping at night. I always had the issues that when I woke up, it doesn't even have to be at night, even when you take just short naps, 50 minutes or on the plane or something like that, always when you wake up, you will have, or I had, my eyelid, the upper eyelid, was stuck to the glass, and I couldn't get it off, just till I had a lot of water and rubbed it till it was gone again.
Yeah, but you could release it.
Yeah, I could release it, and that's really awful. And I didn't wear this eye so long now, but the first thing I really recognized was, oh, when I woke up in the morning, whoa, it doesn't stick on the eye anymore, and that's really great, because it's really a struggle to always and it hurts to just release
Peel it off.
Yeah, to peel it off. I don't know why it is like that, but it always happened every night, and not just in the beginning. I asked the oculist in Germany, why is it like that? They told me, oh yeah, just the first 3 weeks it will get away, but no, it didn't.